Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Car Look. Today we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450, a machine that continues to uphold Suzuki's legacy in the motocross world. This bike may look familiar, but there are some key updates and details that are worth checking out. First off, let's talk about the engine. The 2025 RM-Z450 still features the 449cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine that's known for its strong power delivery and reliability. While it doesn't stray too far from the tried and true formula, Suzuki has made subtle improvements to the ECU mapping and fuel injection system, giving the bike a crisper throttle response and smoother power band. This makes the RM-Z450 a real contender on the track, especially for those who value consistency and control. Now, let's get into the suspension. Suzuki has kept the Showa suspension setup with some fine-tuning for 2025. The coil spring fork and rear shock offer excellent balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're hitting jumps or navigating technical sections, the RM-Z450 provides a plush yet responsive feel. It's not the most revolutionary setup, but it's one that works well for a wide range of riders, from weekend warriors to serious race racers. When it comes to handling, the RM-Z450 is all about precision. Suzuki's engineers have maintained the twin-spar aluminum frame that has been praised for its rigidity and lightness. This, combined with the optimized chassis geometry, allows for razor-sharp cornering and excellent stability at high speeds. The bike feels nimble yet planted, which is exactly what you want when you're pushing hard on the track. The styling of the 2025 RM-Z450 hasn't changed much, but why mess with a good thing? It still sports the iconic yellow and blue color scheme with some updated graphics that give it a fresh, modern look. The ergonomics are also spot on, with a slim profile that makes it easy to move around on the bike. So, is the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 the best motocross bike out there? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want a reliable, well-rounded machine that excels in handling and offers a smooth, controllable power delivery, the RM-Z450 is definitely worth considering. It might not have all the latest gadgets or groundbreaking changes, but it's a solid performer that stays true to Suzuki's racing heritage. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more motocross content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.